So before we get started, make sure you subscribe here to my channel and then click that bell so you will be notified every time I post another video. Also, check the description box so you can find all of the information for this wonderful company that I am working with today. This wig was absolutely amazing, and it is the perfect wig for a glueless melted lace. We're going to melt lace to life, okay? Yes, very, very easy, glueless, bandless, all of that. So we're bleaching knots as normal. I'm using Guy Tang. I really like using Guy Tang because it's really thick and it doesn't run, but anywho, it's what your girl had in the house. Now I was rocking rough and stuff with my afro puffs. Now I am putting this cap on, and I went ahead and doubled up. I'm going to be honest, I have not felt like doing anything to my hair. I just haven't felt like it, and I didn't feel like it today either, but I wanted to be cute, and you know, we had to get this wig and this lace melted. But seriously, I went ahead and put on 2 layers of this freeze spray, nothing more, nothing less. I could have went in on the sides a little bit and just put a little bit more on, and then took the blow dryer on high heat, which as you could tell was kind of hot. I think I just told y'all a story. I think that may have been 3 times, but anywho, here is the wig. She looks beautiful. She's been under the dryer. I put a little bit of mousse on where the part was in the middle, and now, you know, she's all ready to go. She's kind of been pressed with the pressing comb, but I have not plucked anything. Bleached the knots, yes, but it's already pre-plucked, you guys, and it looks amazing, like amazing. I didn't have to do anything to it. I have not picked up any tweezers from beginning to end. I am going to do another video coming really soon for this one, just so I can show you how it looks if I tweeze it. But because it looked like this without me doing anything to it, I really wanted to show it to you guys, because everyone may not know how to tweeze, and I have a lot of you ask me like, oh, you know, are there any other options? What are some companies that you don't have to, you know, pluck a whole lot? This is one. Make sure you check the link in the description box. So it was really easy for me to put it on. Once I did those 2 layers, I let that 1 layer dry for about 2 minutes maybe, and then I was just able to rub it in with my fingers. And because I'm able to rub it in with my fingers, it makes it very easy for me to see exactly where to cut this lace, because I made sure that I only sprayed the freeze spray where I wanted it to lay. Now, I'm not going to edit any of this out, you guys. This is how it looked when I was doing it in my arm. Is it a waste sometimes? I'm sorry, but let's just chill and vibe and stuff and watch it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. I really want to hear from you guys. So, yes, I'll see you later.
Hey, yo, chill. It's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressed to kill with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that she a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad and you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if that's fine with you. Baby, I'm just tryna spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. You got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan, just to show you gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. So let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. Gets me every time. I see it in your eyes. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad. Hit her with the bag. Yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act. Yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah.
Yo, this that new Jay Sean?
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that Drip Chocolate Factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls compare to you. In Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you.
They got nothing.
All
What are y'all arguing about now? Y'all don't have enough stuff going on in y'all life to be arguing the way that y'all do. Lord.
pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
You know you're cute.
Girl, you know you cute.
You know you're cute.
Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding to kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you